2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, bed liner, security system, fog lights, power windows, CD player, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, sport package, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, technology package. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.